Good morning, students. Today we are going to solve a question of physics alternate to practical in O levels. And the question is the apparatus shown in figure 1.1 is to be measured to determine the value of the average diameter of the wire on the reel. So here is the wire. This is plus sign given, and this is a meter rule given. Now the requirement is the wire is flexible and its average diameter d is about 0.8 millimeters. Okay, this is given. Describe how you would use the apparatus to obtain an accurate value for d. In your answer, you should state the procedure you would use, state what measurements you would make, explain how you would make the measurements to obtain an accurate value for the d, and show how you would calculate the value of the d, and explain why your method gives an average value for d. Okay, remember first, we cannot find the diameter of the wire directly with the help of the meter rule, because meter rule cannot measure a fraction of the millimeter. So we have to use the plus sign. Okay, the method to measure the diameter of the wire will be, we will start one end of the wire with the help of the plus sign on the meter rule, and we'll make a number of the turns wound around the scale. Then in such a way that every next turn will touch the previous one. This is very important, so that the wound should be made very accurately in such a way that every next turn should touch the previous one. Then we will note the initial measurement on the meter rule, and the final measurement where the wound will be finished. Then the distance between the two lengths will be pointed out. That value will be put in the numerator, and the number of the turns will be put in the denominator. After solving it on the calculator, you will find the average diameter of the wire. So look now, here will be the steps. So one end of the copper wire is stuck to the meter rule with the help of the plus sign, and a large number of the turns of the wire, say n, are wound around the rule such that each turn is touching with the previous one. This is very important, like this. The reading L1 from where the turns started and the L2 where the turns finished will be noted down in millimeters from the rule. Okay, then these values will be put in the numerator like this, and the number of the turns will be put in the denominator. So n is the number of the turns that will be put in denominator. Then you will solve it on the calculator, you will get the diameter of the wire. This method gives an average value of the diameter of the wire, as it has been calculated out of the combined diameter of the several turns. That's why it will give the average diameter of the wire. So this was the question. Thank you so much.